Hi guys, it's Vera here. Today we're gonna celebrate the beginning of spring. Spring Equinox, so right? Fun. Right?
Yes.
Happy spring, everybody!
Happy spring!
Wait, so am I not gonna use this? Ooh, there's your ferns. I love ferns. You can eat ferns. Some ferns, guys. Some ferns. The others will kill you. I wish I had more wine. So it's kind of nice. We're here at the park. There's a lot of people out and getting rid of their cabin fever. Very beautiful way.
Ah, Jesus.
And we got some hikers. Hello.
Hi.
Happy spring.
Right.
I know once you get to the top of there, it's pretty nice. Oh, we're up here with the turkey vultures.
Yup. Sun was pointing out to me the other day. Maybe it's a sign. Most likely.
I don't think you're doing enough for your spiritual side.
I don't think so either. I like spring because it's like the rebirth of like everything that has died. So everything that has died in the forthcoming months, the winter and fall months, everything that's been harvested is, you know, now everything that's left over and decaying brings, you know, all that death and sadness brings the spring, which then kind of flourishes off of, you know, the past, which I think is really cool that it's all like connected in like a forever ending sequence of life, that circle of life.
Why I like it is because I feel like winter is like that point of the season where we kind of get, like, a lot of us suffer from like seasonal depression.
Yeah,
right?
Including myself.
Like, it makes you think, like, what do you want to do with your summer, and like how you're going to like deal with your garden in the most way, because you know those seasons, spring, summer, and fall, which we all enjoy because of the weather, you know, like how are you going to plan it better? Like, it's kind of like a step back, like almost like a seasonal retrograde in a way. Does that make sense? I don't know.
Winter months, yeah.
Yeah, but you can also like barely see that some things are budding. It's really beautiful. Just doing stuff like this, I just become more active. I guess I got into like some serious seasonal depression. I think it's pressured with a lot of holidays. Like, you and I have kids' birthdays during those months. Like, it's just a lot. Taxes coming up. Just a normal rat race of life.
man, Harley, don't do that.
Whoa, yeah, don't go scaring it. Good
Oh,
job.
Harley, they got a nest or something down there. They're picking on something down there.
That's why she's going crazy too, because she smells all the dead stuff.
Yep.
So we pretty much made it to the top here. It's amazing. It's actually less breezy, which is kind of weird. Forgot my sunglasses. All over the place, my spirit animal.
My spirit animal.
And mine.
What's yours?
I have several.
Which ones?
I have, well, the vulture, I have an eagle, bunny, a red panda. Like, they can interchange.
Yeah.
Like, you can have one daily, which I used to look up my daily one a lot. Weekly, monthly, or like your overall, like my overall spirit animal personality is either a bear or a black panther. Like something that you've been drawn to your whole life. Like usually somebody's favorite animal. Yeah. So look what I found on our way back. Look of the Irish. So this is what the group does. It's a very motivational group. I'm sorry if my camera's not zooming in. It is a GoPro. But yeah. It says, keep a rehide. Post to our Facebook group, Set in Stones, Hidden Rocks. Rocks? I always find the rocks.
Yeah, you always find the rocks.
Yep.
Oh my
Look how
God.
beautiful that is.
It is really pretty. It was sitting at the table with a party hat on, and like these people were singing happy birthday to it, and they were like giving him cake and all these treats, and they had little like dog friends sitting around the table. Somebody took that picture, like screenshotted it, and said, when I die, I want to be reincarnated as a dog in a white family.
Doggo. You're just like chilling in the background.
Like, eh.
Jeez, take cover.
I'm like, oh my God.